How to remove download limit speed on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily remove the networked download limit speed on your Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up settings. From settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. If you have developers option on, that's alright. If not, you want to go over to about phone. Then go ahead and tap on software information from here. And on software information, you just keep tapping on the build number 7 to 8 times to enable developers mode. Once developers mode is active, just go back and simply tap on developers option. From here, you need to scroll down and find your network tab. So just keep scrolling slowly and find networking. Then you can find this called network download rate limit. Tap on it. And if it's selected to any other limits, just tap on no limit and you should be good to go. Now you'll unlock a faster internet download speed on your Android device. You can also turn on mobile data always active to seamlessly switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So that's basically it, guys. If you have found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.